Take a look at these infographics. Believe it or not, each one was created using Gemini with just a single prompt. In this video, I'll show you how you can do the same completely free, even if you have zero design experience. Let me walk you through the exact prompt I used to create infographics, how you can customize it for different topics and audiences, and a simple trick to make it work in multiple languages as well. First, go to Google Gemini. You'll see two options. Either paste your own content or ask Gemini to generate it for you. If you already have notes, research, or bullet points, you can simply paste them. But if not, Gemini can create the content for you in seconds. For example, I'll type, "Create a list of 10 school safety rules for kindergarten classrooms." Press enter. And here you go. We have a ready-to-use list. Now comes the important part, turning that text into a visual. For this, you need a clear and structured prompt. Think of it like giving instructions to a designer. You just need to specify 4 things: the type of visuals, your target audience, the infographic size or aspect ratio, and the content itself. For this example, I'll write, "Design a 9:16 infographics based on the above information, featuring relevant visuals and tailored specifically for a student audience." You can also make it more detailed by adding style preferences like colorful, minimal, playful, or professional depending on your needs. Next, click Generate. And here's the result. It's not just visually appealing, it's polished, balanced, and easy to read. The text is perfectly formatted. Icons match the theme, and everything looks consistent. It genuinely feels like something you'd spend hours designing manually. Now imagine the possibilities. Teachers can create engaging classroom posters or step-by-step routine charts. Students can turn their assignments into eye-catching visuals. Researchers can convert complex papers into simple visual summaries for presentations. And marketers can quickly design comparison charts, process diagrams, or how it works explainers without needing advanced design tools. Here's a pro tip. You can refine your results by slightly tweaking your prompt. For example, ask for bold headings, minimal text, or icon-based design to get different styles. You can even regenerate multiple versions and pick the one you like best. What's even more impressive? It works across different languages. For instance, I can paste the same classroom rules in Greek and simply ask Gemini to create the infographic. Or you can include in your prompt, "Generate this infographic into your desired language." The output remains clean. The layout stays intact, and all the text is accurately translated. You can also use this for bilingual infographics, which is perfect for international audiences or educational content. Just mention both languages in your prompt, and Gemini will handle the rest. At this point, I have to admit, I'm becoming a bit of a Google fan. The speed, accuracy, and ease of use make this tool incredibly powerful for anyone creating content. Once you're happy with your design, simply click the download button to save it and use it anywhere: presentations, social media, classrooms, or reports. And that's it. Instant, professional quality infographics created with just one prompt. If you want to go even further and learn the advanced Gemini tricks I use in my workflow, check out the video on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.